Hi guys, today I'm going to take the waste toner box out of this Colour Brother laser printer and reset it so it stopped giving us the warning, and clean it out. Or if you were replacing it, you would just simply take this one out and pop in the new one. First thing is to take out all of your drums. Just pull it out. Next thing, this gets down to the drum. You might pull out this little orange tab, and then here is your waste toner box. This next section might get a bit messy, but it's fairly straightforward. Your 5 screws on the back. The next thing to undo these little tabs, you just push forward. As you can see, this is full of waste toner, so get rid of this and you have a bag right here that I'm going to put mine into. You can also see why I wore gloves. Once we have our toner box cleaned out, we just pop back in the 5 screws. After we get the 5 screws back in, we want to reset the cartridge so the machine believes it's a new cartridge. So the first thing is under this little black my cartridge is actually okay. What can happen is it can turn away like that, so this is no longer making contact. So you want to be in this position where these two pieces of metal are making contact with each other. And then the final thing you want to do is give the roller a bit of a wipe with some IPA, isopropyl alcohol. You have to just turn this to work your way around. Be gentle, you don't want to score it or anything. Okay, with that done, as far as your machine concerned, this cartridge is good as new. It is a messy job, so it's worth putting something down, or maybe doing it outside if you can. Okay guys, thanks for watching.